May 12th. Here's what moved. Kimi K2.6 holds number 1 on OpenRouter. /bin/sh.74 per million tokens. Claude Sonnet 4.6 in second at 0.00. Automatic 1111/stable-diffusion-webui is trending on GitHub. 39 stars today. High 3 preview climbed 10 ranks from 15th to 5th. Hugging-face-hub downloads down 22% this week. OpenAI dropped 20 ranks on OpenRouter this week. Computer build using Intel Optane Persistent Memory. Sourcegraph.cody-ai on vscode. Downloads down 32%. GitHub.copilot on vscode. Downloads down 29%. Whisper by OpenAI. 100 events tracked this week. Claude-code by Anthropics. 100 events tracked this week. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. Gawk.dev.